How to fix event ID 4624, an account was successfully logged on. Okay, let's analyze that Windows event log entry. Event ID 4624 indicates a successful logon event in Windows. Some key things to note: this is an informational event, not an error or warning. It is recording a successful logon. The event logs the date/time of the logon, the account that logged on, the logon type, interactive, network, etc., the authentication method used, the source workstation, and other details about the logon. This event can be useful for security auditing and monitoring legitimate user activities. A large number of 4624 events at unusual times/places could indicate suspicious behavior. If logons are failing, you would instead see event IDs like 4625, account logon failure, or 4776, Kerberos pre-authentication failed. Event 4624 indicates logon success. You can correlate the account in this event with other logs like 4634, account logoff, to track user sessions. In summary, this is a standard logon success event, useful for monitoring user access and security auditing. The key is whether it occurs at expected vs unusual times and locations based on established user patterns.